Hello, I've had a request to do some more videos where I explain my process and talk about what I'm doing. So I just painted this hydrangea. It is for a class with the artist Daniel Keys, an online class. And if you look behind me, you can see the hydrangea setup that I used. I put it in a shadow box with black construction paper behind it to create the dark background. But this video will pick up after I have already blocked in the painting. And to create the very dark background, I used titanium white, a tiny bit, with ultramarine blue and transparent oxide brown that I mixed together to make my black. Another way I sometimes create black is by using Viridian and alizarin crimson, but this first combination was what Daniel recommends. So you will be able to see my process picking up from the block in. I'll explain what I'm doing. I'll tell you a bit about the colors that I'm mixing. And if you like this video, please let me know. Click like and subscribe, and I'll be happy to do more. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Once I've completed my block in, I start working on the vase. And I'm using the same gray that I used for the foreground. It is a mix of ultramarine blue and transparent oxide brown. For my leaves, I'm going to be using Viridian and green gold and a touch of terra rosa. When I paint the vase, I'm always mindful of the fact that I am reflecting whatever is in the background that is somewhat distorted. There are lights and shadows, and you want to just keep lots of soft edges. The flowers themselves are going to be mixed using Thio Violet and permanent rose and a touch of titanium white and a little bit of ultramarine blue to give it that deep purple color. For the highlights, I'm going to use that base color, and I will add more titanium white. As you can see, my light source is coming from right, which puts my highlights on the right. That is basically how I create the hydrangeas. Those little tiny touches in the middle of the flowers are made with Cadmium Yellow Light and a little bit of white, and that is my hydrangea painting.